Hello and welcome back to class. Today we are going to be looking at vector addition. How to look for the resultant of two vectors. An example is given to us on the board here. We have calculate the resultant of the vectors above. So this is the first vector and this is the second vector. This is the resultant. So we are asked to calculate the resultant of these two vectors. So it is like we're looking for vector addition in this scenario. So what are we going to do? We're going to use Pythagoras theorem. We're using Pythagoras theorem to get the value of r. And Pythagoras theorem says that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. Then this your a here is your hypotenuse, and your b can be your opposite, and then your c can be your adjacent. So in this case, this is my angle, so this point here now becomes my opposite, and this point here becomes my adjacent. This is my hypotenuse. So putting their values here, hypotenuse squared is going to give me my r squared equals opposite squared 12 squared plus 10 squared. 12 squared plus 10 squared. So my r squared is giving me 144 plus 100. So my r squared is going to give me the summation of these two numbers. If I add these two numbers, I'm going to have 244. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and I'm going to pick only the positive part of it because I'm talking about distance now, or magnitude. So I'm going to pick only the positive part of it. So my r squared is equal to 244. I'm taking the square root sign of both sides. My r now is going to be 15.6. So you see that I have r as 15.6, but that's not all. When we are talking about vector addition, we need to look for magnitude and then look for the direction. So I need to look for my theta because this is the direction. I can decide to use any of this one, SOHCAHTOA. So let me use my tan. So tan theta is equal to opposite. My opposite is 12, which is 12 over adjacent 10. So tan theta is going to be 1.2. So I'm going to take the arctan of both sides. Here I'm going to have tan inverse of 1.2. My theta is going to be 39.8 degrees. So whenever you're solving for vector addition, you first of all need to look for the magnitude. Once you've got the magnitude, you don't stop there because it's vector. It needs to have direction. So you look for the direction also. And this direction is southeast. The direction is southeast. To the south and then to the east, it moves that direction. So if you have any question, you can ask on the comment section and I'll do well to answer you. So till then, see you in the next class.